How to add product category in Shopify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add product category in Shopify. So then to begin with, check your internet connection, log into the Shopify account. So for that, open up a web browser, type in admin.shopify.com. So this is going to direct you to the official dashboard page of Shopify. So here, in order to add category, you'll need to go ahead and first of all create a page. For that, you need to go to on store. After that, you can see on the online store options. So from here, you need to go ahead and tap on pages. So before you create a category, as already mentioned, you'll need to go ahead and select the category. So what you have to do is you need to go ahead and tap on add page, which is located right on top. It asks you to give a title to your page, so type in any of the product names. For example, let's go with shoes. After that, you need to scroll down a bit and you need to go ahead and type in edit website SEO, and here as well you need to type in shoes. So once you've done with this, you can also give a description if you want to do it. So just type in shoes and products available, or maybe whatever the description is that. Done giving a title and description, scroll down a bit and click on the button. So as you can see, as soon as you click on the save button, this is how the Google is going to display your product item. So here is the link for your product. If you want to add another one, or if you want to add a different product, once again go ahead and tap duplicate. So click on once again, you need to make changes with the category and title. So here to go ahead and remove copy of shoes and type other product name. So for example, but you need to scroll down, and here as well you need to type in, make sure to give a title, and after you need to go ahead and add a description as well. Once done, you need to scroll down a bit and click on the save button located right at the bottom. So you can see that the pages has been added, and here you go, that this is how the link is going to look like. Now after you've done creating your pages, you need to go to navigation. Now we'll need to go ahead and add product to your category. So in order to do that, what you'll need to do is, I'm just going to be showing you how you can do it. So for that, you need to go ahead and tap on navigation. After that, you can see this kind of interface. So here you can see there are two different menus, that is footer and men menu. If you want your product to be seen on the top, you need to go ahead and tap on men menu. After that, you'll need to go ahead and tap on add menu items, and here you need to go ahead and type in your product details. So in our case, we had footwears. Once you're done adding your product details, you need to go ahead and tap on search or paste the link. For that, you need to go ahead and tap on home page. Click on the add button located right over here. As you can see that the information or the product has been added. So after that, you need to go ahead and tap on add menu. So over here you need to give an information, so there you need to type in category. After that, you need to tap on search a piece link, and you'll need to go ahead and tap on home page. Once you've done, click on the add button. As you can see that the category has been added. Once again, you need to go ahead and tap on add menu items. After that, you need to enter the information regarding your product. For example, in my case, I had a shoes as well as a vase. So you need to go ahead and type in the product details, and once again do the same procedure, that is click on home page and click on the add button. Here you go, that the category is also been added and the item has also been added. Now you'll need to click on the 3 icon located right over here, and then you can just go ahead and select and drag the items as well accordingly. After that, you need to click on the items and then add it to your cart. So for that, you need to hold it and then drag towards the right hand side corner. Go ahead and do the same procedure for other menu. Tap on it and then add it right over here. So this is how you can add a category. Now you can go ahead and add many more items if you want, and once you've done that, click on the save button located right on top, and the changes has been saved. Now go to your home page and then head over to your product detail page, and right on top you'll be able to see category option. In this way you can add product category in Shopify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.